It's surprising, but various diseases and certain medical procedures can exhibit a range of very similar symptoms. Poor vision, or even night blindness, painful and brittle bones, sudden skin problems, and strong irritability can have the same underlying cause, even in very different medical conditions. What triggers these symptoms? And what can be done to alleviate these ailments? The fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K are essential. They play important roles in many bodily functions, such as vision, bone strength, and much more. On its own, the body is not able to produce enough of those fat-soluble vitamins, or doesn't even produce them at all. A healthy person is able to consume these vitamins together with fat when eating food. Many diseases such as pancreatic diseases, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, celiac disease, liver and biliary tract diseases, cystic fibrosis, as well as with depressive episodes and gastrointestinal surgical procedures, can severely disturb the fat metabolism process. This then triggers subsequent reactions because the ADEK vitamins can only be absorbed by the body in the presence of fat. If there is a disruption in fat metabolism, these vitamins may not be absorbed at all or only in insufficient amounts. When this happens, dietary supplements in the form of pills are usually ineffective. The supplied vitamins are simply not adequately utilized. In these cases, dietary intake cannot correct the vitamin deficiency. A deficiency of fat-soluble vitamins often goes unnoticed until symptoms such as weakness, fatigue, muscle cramps, vision problems, a weakened immune system, hair loss, bone pain, or skin issues begin to appear. When symptoms occur, it is advisable to get tested to determine if a vitamin deficiency might be present. Determining your vitamin status can provide certainty about whether the body lacks fat-soluble vitamins. To ensure an essential supply, the 4 fat-soluble vitamins may need to be provided through parenteral medication, that is, not through ingestion, but rather via injections or infusion. Vitamin A is administered as retinol and the provitamin beta-carotene. Vitamin A is the protective substance for everything derived from the ectoderm, such as skin, teeth, the nervous system, and sensory organs. Visual perception is heavily dependent on vitamin A. Night blindness is the first sign of a vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A can be obtained by healthy individuals from the consumption of liver, liverwurst, egg yolk, whole milk, and cheese. Vitamin D, the calciferols, are primarily produced by the body itself from cholesterol under the influence of UV light, or sunlight. In this case, calcidiol and calcitriol are so-called metabolites, the substances that are processed by the body. The main role of vitamin D is to maintain calcium homeostasis, the metabolic balance for bone formation. Typical deficiency symptoms include depressive episodes, rickets, a bone disease in children, and osteoporosis, especially in older individuals. Vitamin D can be found in several foods: cod liver oil, fish, mushrooms, avocados, eggs, and cheese. Vitamin E, the tocopherols, are primarily known as antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize aggressive chemical compounds and prevent free radicals from damaging cell membranes. This inhibits the inflammation process and can reduce the risk of diseases. Typical deficiency symptoms include fatigue, irritability, restlessness, concentration problems, nerve or muscle metabolic disorders, and a weakened immune system. Vitamin E is mainly found in whole grain products, leafy vegetables, wheat germ oil, olive oil, and sunflower oil. Vitamin K is responsible for blood clotting regulation and also plays an important role in bone metabolism. Vitamin K deficiency is relatively rare in adults. It is typically only necessary to supplement vitamin K in people with osteoporosis or liver damage due to excessive alcohol consumption. An overdose of vitamin K is not possible. Leafy vegetables, onions, cabbage, pork and chicken, eggs, and milk all contain vitamin K. Pay attention to your body. If you notice symptoms that could indicate a deficiency in nutrition, consult a trusted medical professional to prevent avoidable consequences. Each one of the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K fulfills essential functions, and it is important to ensure you are getting enough of them. We at TEB EV, as well as other support groups and nutritional counseling centers, are here to answer your questions and will gladly provide you with further helpful information for your health and well-being.